As a plant manager, you need to know what's going on in your plant, not only now, but what happened yesterday, what happened last week, what happened last month. It can be very hard to do if you collect data manually using paper, spreadsheets, or even if you're doing it in your ERP system. It doesn't give you enough information to be able to act on now. Using a tool like SensorTracks, you can actually do that. You can understand what's happening right now, and if there's any problems, you can take steps to address those. You can also give visibility not only to yourself, but everybody in the organization below you, your managers, your supervisors, your line leads, your operators, so they understand exactly how they're performing against your targets and whether or not they're meeting the goals. In addition to that, you can have data sent to you, reports sent to you automatically at the end of the shift, end of the day, end of the week, so that you can know exactly how the plant ran in the prior shift, day, or week. And then you can use that information in your different meetings to really talk about what went well yesterday, what went wrong, what are we going to do about it. The teams can come to those meetings very focused, knowing what they have to talk about, potentially with solutions to those problems, so they're not a surprise during the meeting. You can also have real-time information coming to you on your phone if you happen to not be at the plant, so that you can get information about what's running, what's not, where the problems are, and you can make phone calls to see if you can help fix any of those things.